Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to post 20 photos on Instagram. Let's get to this. So this is my profile icon. If I just go to my plus icon to post my photos and videos here, I'm in my post section, right? And here you can see each and everything, right? So I will just go and click on here, right? And first of all, you can just go and click on select multiple. Now here you can select as many photos or as many videos here. For example, let's say, right, this is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 more than, right? And just go and click on next on everything. So you have finalized the 20 posts which you want to post on your Instagram feed. Now you can see you can customize like how you used to customize your older section here, right? And once everything is done, go and click on next, and again you will get a normal settings to post it out. You can, if you want to change your settings, you can always change here, but here I can just my post, right? So if I can just go and click on share, everything will be shared really easy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.